If you've ever walked out of a meeting and immediately forgotten half of what was discussed, or spent 20 minutes typing up notes right after a call, this video is for you. Fathom is a free AI note taker that joins your Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams meetings, records, and transcribes everything in real time, and then hands you a full AI-generated summary the moment the call ends. No more frantic note-taking. No more chasing people for follow-ups. Today, I'm going to show you how to set it up and walk you through every key feature from start to finish. Head to fathom.video and click Get Started Free. The sign-up is quick, no credit card needed. Sign in with your Google or Microsoft account. This immediately connects your calendar, which is how Fathom knows when your meetings are and can auto-join them. That calendar connection is the whole foundation of how this works. Fathom will ask a couple of quick onboarding questions about how you work. Just answer those and you'll land on your dashboard where you'll already see your upcoming meetings pulled from your calendar. Now, before anything else, download the desktop app. It unlocks the full Fathom experience, especially when you're not the meeting host. Click Download Fathom for Windows and wait for it to finish. Once done, click it from the downloads and log in with your account. That's it. Fathom is running in the background and ready to go. Before your first real meeting, spend 60 seconds in settings to make sure everything is set up the way you want. First, auto record, set it to all meetings. This means Fathom will automatically start recording every meeting you have without you having to remember to click anything. You can set it to external only if you prefer, but I recommend all meetings so nothing slips through. Next, auto share. This controls what gets sent to attendees automatically after the meeting. I set mine to summary only. That way everyone gets the AI-generated recap without sharing the full recording by default. You can always choose to share the recording manually later. And connect your video platforms, Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, or whichever ones you use. You'll see them listed here. Just click Connect and log in with your account. For example, I'll connect Zoom by logging in with my account. After that, don't forget to turn on the option to automatically record unscheduled Zoom meetings. This way, once the meeting starts, it will begin recording automatically, and that's all the setup you need. Now let's see Fathom in action during a live meeting. I'll open Zoom meeting and create a meeting. When you join, you'll see Fathom's bot appear in your participant list. It shows up as your name's Fathom note taker. This is how all participants know the meeting is being recorded. There's no hidden recording. It's fully transparent. Once a second person joins, Fathom automatically starts recording and transcribing in real time. You don't have to do anything, but this time I'll click skip and start recording now since I don't have any participants. The one thing I recommend doing during meetings is using the highlight button. When something important comes up, a key decision, a next step, a number that matters, click highlight. Fathom will earmark that moment retroactively, capturing from when the other person started talking, not just from when you clicked. You can add a quick note to label it too. Then once done, simply click End Highlight. These highlights become instantly shareable clips after the call. Super useful if you need to send a specific moment to someone without sending the whole recording. When the meeting ends, Fathom immediately starts processing. Within about 30 seconds, your full AI summary is ready. Head to your Fathom dashboard and click on the call. You'll see the video recording at the top, the AI-generated summary below it, and the full searchable transcript alongside it. At the right side, you'll find action items. Fathom automatically detects every task, commitment, or follow-up mentioned in the meeting and lists them here, including who they're assigned to. So instead of trying to remember, wait, what did I agree to do? It's all right here already. There's also an Ask Fathom button on every call page. This is like having a conversation with your meeting. I can type, what were the main action items from this call? And Fathom searches the transcript and gives me a direct answer. You can ask anything. It's incredibly useful when you need to find one specific thing without rewatching the whole call. Note, Ask Fathom is available on premium and team plans. The transcript is fully searchable and synced to the video. Click any line in the transcript and the recording jumps to that exact moment. So if you remember something was said about pricing or a specific topic, just search for it, click the line, and you're watching that exact moment. No scrubbing. Type any word or phrase into the search bar and every instance of it in the transcript highlights instantly. It's like Control+F for your meetings. And that's Fathom, from setup to live recording to AI summary in one tool, all for free. The free plan gives you unlimited recordings and transcriptions, plus advanced AI summaries on your first 5 calls per month. If you're in meetings all day and want unlimited summaries and Ask Fathom for every call, the premium plan is $19 a month. Try it on your next meeting and let me know in the comments what you think. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.